Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a good week. It's been a minute since I've done a video, and that's primarily because I've been on vacation. Stanley and I went to Florida for about a week, and at the beginning of the week we went to Epcot and visited some friends, and then towards the end of the week some of his friends from California flew out to Florida, and then we all went on the Disney cruise, the Fantasy, out of Cape Canaveral together. And that cruise took us to the Bahamas, specifically Disney's private islands, Castaway Cay, and I think the other one is called Lookout Cay. So we just got back, and he's actually as soon as he got back, he had to leave to go to work in Texas, so he's actually not here right now. But yeah, that's just like a quick update on what's been going on with us. And I thought today maybe I would do an unboxing video. If you notice, we're not in my living area or like the normal background, and that's because I think all the stuff that was in my living area was getting to be so much, so I decided to convert one of my rooms into an office slash where I'm keeping all of my stuff. So this is kind of what's come out of it. If you've been following me on my Instagram, you've probably been noticing I've been building a lot of shelves, and these are them. And I finally put up the actual shelves and brought some of the stuff to clean up our living area and not have it be so cluttered with some of the stuff that I'm buying. But today I thought I would do an unboxing of this Flip With Me. This is the Monsters Flip With Me LABUBU. It is a larger size, so you can see it's about the size of my head and some. And I actually haven't opened any of my large format vinyl figures yet, so it's kind of exciting being able to open one of the large ones. Sometimes I just don't ever want to take it out of the packaging because I like keeping everything in mint condition, the collector in me, but you know, we should take it out and enjoy it. But first, I just wanted to show you guys the box. It is a cardboard box. It's not like the other ones where they have this like plastic and you can like see through them. It is fully cardboard all the way around, and then it has a black and white kind of almost like a comic drawing of it. And at first I thought I was just like, oh, they kind of, you know, didn't invest that much into the packaging. But when you look at it, it's actually kind of neat. Like on the side, they actually have like a comic strip. So they have the LABUBU with its swirly eyes, and then it has, I think these are heart eyes. Yeah, heart eyes. And then it has these eyes, which are regular eyes, and then it has like star eyes. And so the thing with the Flip With Me LABUBU is that you can like change its eyes, like you can rotate them to be different eyes. And the box itself is like, the details are really nice. Like if you look at the wording, there is like a metallic sheen to the wording, and yeah, they have like all the standard stuff on the back. They have that QR code to make sure that like it's authentic. I usually don't check that, but just for fun, I did check the QR on one of my smaller vinyl figures just to see how it worked. And it worked. Like you put in the code and then it tells you like you're the first one to look it up, which you should be, because you're the only, you have to like scratch off the metallic thing, scratcher thing to get the code. So ideally you're the only one who sees that code, so which means when you punch it in, you should be the first one to look it up. So I mean, it worked theoretically, so it was kind of interesting. So let's go ahead and open this up. It has like a nice, so like it has like a little cutout right here for a handle, but it's not popped out. So, but on the inside you can see like there's a handle, so I guess if you pop it out, you can use a hand button and just lift it up. And there it is. This is the Flip with Me. I don't know how tall it is. But like you can like flip its eyes. So like these are like regular brown eyes. And then if you flip the eyes again, you have the confused eyes. So confused, dazed eyes. If you flip it again, you get the heart eyes. And then you get star eyes. So it does have a, you know, I think all the varieties that it showed you on the side of the box. It has all those eye features. Let me see if I can take it out efficiently. So 1 second. Okay, okay, that was really hard. That's it is like zip tied so many places in here. Like there are 2 zip ties on the top, the zip tie around the body, and then there's like 2 zip ties on the bottom, and it's not like very optimal for you to like cut it. Like, and it's like, I guess like you could maybe take out the parts in here, but then you have to like undo all of this tape. So definitely very hard. Oh, it also comes with some other stuff on the side. So let me see. Man, I miss unboxing just like the regular vinyl figures because that's like super easy. What's this? Okay, I'm not gonna take this out, but at the top of it, it looks like it has like a little comic strip that's like taped, like fully taped right here. So I'm gonna like take that out later. Maybe I should show you guys. No, I'll take it out later. But then like on the side too, it comes with a pair of glasses. Let me open these. They're very Ray-Ban looking. So interesting the way that they package this, because like, you know, like the glasses can't go flat to like easily slide out or anything like that. So like, it's like a interesting way of packaging this POPMART. Not a very easy way to take out. Slide. Okay, so here it is. This is the Flip with Me LABUBU, and it has a pair of sunglasses. And I wonder how you put them on, because he doesn't have ears to keep them on. I guess you just have to like be very careful. Oh, look. Okay, so on the side, like inside the hair, there's like a little loop right here. So I bet you this is like what you thread the, here it is. See, here's another one. You thread the glasses through maybe. So like, let's put one leg through and then the other. This is a, I'm just gonna put one, save time. Hopefully they stay on. Yeah, so he has a pair of glasses that he wears. And I thought it was so cute because he looks kind of nerdy. And I love all things nerdy. And then he has this like button-up shirt with like a vertical print. He has denim pants, and then it looks like he has like Converses on. But yeah, he is kind of like a light brown, kind of messy haired LABUBU. And you know, it's, you can flip its eyes. And so now he has heart eyes. Yeah, so super cute. I like it. I don't remember how much this was off the top of my head. Maybe I'll find it and then like I'll link it like somewhere over here. But I think overall quality like super good. like even the bottom of the shoes, it kind of has like they're like real shoes. It has like a rubbery texture on the bottom, and then the stitching on the shoes, it looks like Converse. I wonder if you could take off the shoes and if it has feet. Oh, it does. Look, you can take off the shoe and it actually has a foot. So it's not like the shoe is like permanently on there. You could actually take it off. I bet you could like take off the whole outfit and like switch out the outfit. But yeah, this is let me just adjust this. Put its shoe back. No, it's probably really hard. But this is the Monsters Flip With Me, large, medium-sized LABUBU. Yeah, I think he's really cool. If you can get a hand on him, I think this is one of my favorite right here. Like, super cute looking, adorable looking. But yeah, so this is gonna go on the shelf right here. Oh, it's kind of like lopsided because he doesn't have his other shoe on. Just like pop it. Oh, his glasses are coming off. Everything's coming off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put its shoe back on, put its glasses on, and then put it on the shelf with everything else. Yeah, so this has just been another quick unboxing of one of the POPMART items. I still have a lot to go through, so there'll be plenty more of that. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe. And then you'll see all the other stuff. And then I also plan on probably posting some of my like vacation stuff too. So if you're interested in like the Disney Cruise Line or just other random stuff, subscribe to the channel, and then you'll be up to date. So I hope you guys have a great week, and goodbye from, I'm gonna name him Sam? I don't know why. I just chose a random name. Have a good week. Bye.